Hi guys, it's me Ubed, and today the topic we will cover is topic it is how embeddings works and how we can prevent hallucinations with the LLM prediction. Copy this, create a new file. But the way all of the files are present in GitHub, and you take a look on that. All the links are in the description too, and okay, let's get started. How embeddings actually work. Before that, I want you to know if you're working on any custom projects, you can let me know on the WhatsApp or mail me on this email address to discuss about that. Or you can fill out this form also. All the links are in the description. Uh, let's get started with the video. Let's say you want to predict some result based on this paragraph. All of this text, this can be any text, I'm just taking example, and you want to predict or you want to query some result based on this paragraph, and this can be let's say many words, right? And one way is, which is obviously to know that way, is to copy that and paste it in your prompt, right? But in that way, something hallucination, so it can create something which is not even real, and it is not present in your data, but LLM will just generate that, right? So that is the problem. And to deal with this, we use embeddings. Obviously there are many use cases, but this is one of the problem which we can solve with embeddings. So what embeddings is, let me write it down. Embeddings is conversion of text in numerical form. We all know that ML algorithms want data in the numerical form. They understand number. All the algorithms understand number. They don't want your English text, right? We have to convert them into numbers so that they can understand well, right? So, what is going on behind the vector embedding or vector databases, embedding model, and all that? By the way, these all terms are super related to each other, so get confused with it. Okay, so we have some data. Let's say this data. We create embeddings of it. There are many models which by which we can create embeddings. One of these is Vertex. I will cover Vertex text headings. This is by Google, and take a look on that. You can use AI embedding models, and there are many more. And you will store them in a vector database. So you have text, you convert it into vectors or embeddings or numerical form. You save them, store them in a vector database. Now you have power to curate. How you can do that? Let's say you have a query and this is in the text format. Please follow cursor. Okay. Let's say query. You have a text query. You will convert that into embedding. The first thing you have is vector database. Then you have query, which is embedded into vectors or converted into numerical form. Now you will do a similarity check with this vector database. Based on this query, you will find something similar into this vectorized database. There can be many process or algorithms for that. One of them is cosine similarity, and you can take a look on. I will try to cover all of these, but can always text me if you want a in-depth tutorial about them. Cosine similarity will tell you what is similar to your query from this database, and this can be really huge. You can't put everything in the prompt because there is token limit you have to follow, right? Now when you have some results from this database that your query matches, you will give it to LLM has power to convert numbers again into uh, what you can say, a text, and then generate a response using its reasoning capabilities. I hope it is clear. The last thing I am saying, I have no visuals. I don't know how to explain better, but what it will do is you will find something similar from this database, and that will be in the numerical form. You will again convert them in the textual form, give it to LLM, and then finalize your response. This way, your model is not only seeing the text, a long blob of text, and answering you the response, rather, it is taking the actual similar response from the uh, vector database and then finalize the textual. I hope it is making sense, but can always text me on the WhatsApp or in the comment section, discuss about it. I hope you like the video. I'll meet you next one. Thanks for watching.